I fell in love with weaving during the pandemic, and I'm just so excited to share this craft with you. Today, I'll be showing you how to weave on a circular ring with wool roving. Roving is very sensitive. It is such a beautiful and soft material to work with. You get this thick bundle, but you'll be able to split it up into lots and lots of pieces. So the first technique I'll be reviewing is just plain weave or tabby. It is the weave that every weaver will learn. The second technique we'll be going over is sumac. I love this technique because you can move it around, create waves. And the last technique we'll be using is my favorite, and it is called raya loops. Hope to see you there.